Over 180,000 tech workers lost their jobs this year. Microsoft cut 15,000 while posting record profits. IBM replaced 8,000 HR employees with a chatbot. So let's ask the question everyone's thinking, will AI take my job? The short answer, AI is changing everything. But the long answer, it's not the end of work, it's a shift in what work means. By the end of this video, you'll know which jobs are most at risk, which are safer, and how to make sure you're on the winning side of this transformation. This episode of Nexus dives into the evolving relationship between AI, automation, and the modern workforce, a reflection on how technology is reshaping our roles and opportunities. It's not a fear-mongering take on AI or a doomsday story, it's a mindset reset, a call to adapt, learn, and thrive in this new era of work. From recent layoffs across industries to the rise of AI-driven collaboration. We'll explore how embracing innovation and retraining our thinking can make us stronger, not replaceable. The goal isn't to fear the future, it is to build it. In 2025 alone, more than 180,000 jobs were cut across tech. Goldman Sachs projects 6 to 7% of US workers could be displaced by AI. Some analysts even warn of 1 million US jobs lost this year. But this isn't just a tech problem. Retail giants like Amazon and Target have cut tens of thousands of roles, citing automation and AI as core reasons. Middle management, data analysis, and design positions are being consolidated as one AI-assisted employee can now do the work of 3. Firms use this opportunity to retrain or reassign stuff instead of blaming AI alone. So AI isn't just cutting jobs, it is reshaping them. Let's be real, not all jobs face the same threat. Roles built around information handling and predictable patterns are most exposed. First, data entry and clerical work, up to 95% automatable now. Second, customer service telemarketing, chatbots already taking calls. Third, entry-level analysts. AI now does in minutes what once took days. Another key example is the AI-based coding agents causing disruption in the tech industry. But roles requiring critical labor, human connection, creativity, or physical adaptability remain far safer. Nurses, therapists, electricians, construction supervisors, teachers, artists. One can keep naming the job and categorizing it, but in short, what it actually means is that AI is replacing tasks, not people per se. Those who learn to work with it become harder to replace. Here's the twist the headlines ignore. While automation may eliminate around 90 million jobs, it's expected to create 170 million new ones by 2030, a net gain of almost 80 million roles. New careers are emerging: prompt engineer, AI ethics officer, automation consultant, human AI collaboration designer, and the list goes on. McKinsey and Microsoft research found that workers using AI report a 66% productivity boost and earn 56% more on average. So AI isn't just taking jobs, it's multiplying opportunities for those who adapt. So this is not AI versus humans, it's humans plus AI versus humans without AI. So what can you do starting today? First, become AI literate. Learn how it works, how to prompt it, how to question it. Try ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Midjourney, Copilot, etc. Show employers how you can raise output without losing creativity. Second, develop hybrid skills. Mix technical know-how with human depth, which involves critical thinking, empathy, and leadership. LinkedIn says hybrid skilled professionals earn 40% more and are 58% more resilient during downturns. Third, focus on what AI cannot do best: empathy, ethics, creativity, and adaptability. Look at developers. Copilot now writes 30% of new code, yet those who embraced it became more valuable. Resistance loses and adaptation wins. Yes, AI is transforming the job market dramatically. Some roles will vanish, others will evolve, and millions more will be born. So the real question isn't, will AI take my job? It is, am I developing the skills that make me irreplaceable? AI can process information, but it cannot dream or empathize. That's still human territory. So pick one AI tool to master this week, and remember, AI isn't your enemy, it's your amplifier. Stay tuned for the next episode of Nexus, how to make AI your coworker, not your competitor. Because the real future is not AI or human, it's AI and human together. Let us dive in and look at different job roles specifically, increasing our skill set and implementing them at workplace. If this helped you see the future a little more clearly, hit like, subscribe, and share your story below.